Hi guys, I am Shahzad. Today we are going to embed the CDN for this particular website, which is the Shakespeare. So now as you can see, when you click on the refresh button, it's taking too much time because it's loading the images, it's loading the CSS, and it's loading the JS files. So as you can see, it's still loading. Now go to the GT matrix. I consider that you have the knowledge of the GT matrix as we have discussed in the SEO course. So check your performance by using this tool, and also check your performance by using the Google's tool. Okay, now go to your dashboard because we are going to add the CDN. If you are not familiar with the CDN, just type what is CDN. It's a content delivery network. So now as you can see, they are saying, according to the Wikipedia, a content delivery network or content distributed network is a geographically distributed network and something like that. You can also read the full article here, but I consider you have the basic knowledge of the CDN. Okay, now as you can see, it's giving us the 80, and when you click on the Y slow, it's giving us the CDN 0 because we are not using the CDN for this particular website. I don't know why it's showing this question marks because I'm using this particular theme and it's happening only on this theme. We'll discuss about the theme. I'm going to show you appearance. So themes, when you click on the desktop, it's saying 49. Okay, now as you can see, it's a flow child theme or the name of the flow news theme. Okay, now go to your plugins because we are going to install a plugin. Click to add a new plugin. Type the plugin name. I'm saying Cloudflare. Hit the enter button. Okay, now as you can see the second results here. I'm using the 5.5 version, that's why it's saying untested with your version. Okay, because they have not updated the Cloudflare, this particular plugin. Install this plugin. Okay, now activate this plugin. Okay, go to your settings and click on the Cloudflare. So as you can see, this is the Cloudflare. So you have to follow some steps. First of all, if you have not created any account on the Cloudflare, you have to create that particular account. I have already created. If you have not created, just click on the create your free account. Okay, fine. So now as you can see, I have already created, so that's why it's showing me the panel and I have logged in with my account. Okay, now I'm going to add the site. Click on this one and you have to use this name, which is Shakespeare. Okay, copy, paste, wait for a few seconds. Now it's showing you the plans. It's totally depend upon you which plans you are going to use. I'm using the free plan because it's protect the DDoS attack, and also it provides us the global network delivery. Okay, global content network delivery, which is a CDN. Okay, now as you can see, they also have some few plans. It's a $20 per month, and they also have the 200 per month. Okay, and they also have the enterprise. Now I'm going to select the free account. Just going to click this confirm plan. Wait for a few seconds because it's finding the DNS settings. Cloudflare finds each and everything for you out of the box, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so now as you can see, Cloudflare showing you each and everything here. You can also change your settings here. Okay, now where is the MX? So this is the MX record to send and receive the emails. I'm saying okay, fine. So now Cloudflare saying these are your current name servers. What you need, just need to change these servers, these name servers. So this is a name server 1, 2 with this 1 and 2. Now I'm going to access my panel. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the DNS settings, because we are going to update the DNS record, which is the name servers. Okay, now either you are using the GoDaddy and some other platform, and it's totally depend upon you, but the procedure is the same. I'm using the reseller club, so that's why this is the panel for the reseller club. So now as you can see, this is the name server. Click on this. So now as you can see, we have two name servers, name server 1, name server 2. Cloudflare also showing me these two name servers. Okay, now what you need, just need to copy this one and paste this one here, and you just need to copy this one and just paste this one here. Okay, now click on the update name server. It takes time to propagate these name servers. Okay, now if you go to your website, load your website, fine. I'm saying do check. They also have some few settings, quick start guide, configure your domain settings to improve security, and XYZ. So now as you can see, they are saying that which options you want to use. I'm saying full encryptions, save, and I'm saying always use the HTTPS. If you are using the only HTTP, it's fine. If you are using the HTTPS, just click on the on button. Or if you are using some other kind of plugin which redirects you from HTTPS to HTTP, from HTTP to HTTPS, I'm also using a plugin. Okay, for now I'm just clicking the on button, save, and now it's saying you have to optimize the CSS, JavaScript, CSS and HTML files. It's totally depend upon you. Either you are optimizing your CSS, JavaScript and HTML file from here, or you can also use some other kind of plugin or to optimize the cache, fast cache, and some other plugins available. We'll discuss about those plugins later, but for now I'm not choosing here. If you want to choose, just click on the check buttons. Last settings, I'm broadly speed up page load times for your visitors, HTTPS, blah blah blah, save, summary, and now click on the finish button. So now you are ready to go. As you can see, it's fine. How can you get your API? You just need to get your API from the Cloudflare. So this is not your API. So this is your account and this is your zone ID. Okay, for the API, you just need to go to your DNS setting, Cloudflare account, and find your API. Okay, or you can also find your API here, I think apps. Okay, now it's not here. We'll discuss about how can you do that. So I'm saying go to Cloudflare, log in with your account. I hope I have already logged in with my account. Just click on the site which we have created. So where is the app ID? Sorry, just this one. Go to your account. I'm saying here. Now add your email and also the API key. So you can get your API key by clicking here. So this is your authentications, API token. So this is your API key. So I'm saying view. Just give your password and also click on this one. So as you can see, they are saying image contain car. So this is car, and also this is card. Okay, fine. View, this is the API. Go to your settings, use your API with your Gmail account, click on the save. Fine, as you can see, optimize Cloudflare for WordPress. I'm saying apply automatically, and it's also saying clear cache files to force Cloudflare. Okay, fine, I'm going to purge everything. I'm also allowing that automatically cache management. Purge Cloudflare cache automatically when you update the appearance of your site. Okay, now fine, now you are ready to go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's fine. Once again, as you can see, it's not using the CDN. Click on the recheck button, and also no, and the desktop version 49. Click on the analyze button. Okay, now as you can see, boom, 80%. Okay, now go to your voice flow, and its CDN is still not working, so it takes time to propagate with your DNS settings. So wait for few seconds. Once they use or the system detect the DNS setting, so analyze. Okay, fine, go to your Cloudflare and click on the analytics, because I'm using the Shakespeare. So now as you can see, it's not showing me anything. If I click on the site, so here as you can see, we are using the CDN. It's using the CDN. Wait for few seconds or few minutes or few hours. Once Cloudflare fetch each and everything for you. Okay, so now as you can see, it's just improved the speed. As you can see, the total blocking time and the cumulative layout shift, and also the first content paint. So green checks, that means everything is working fine. So why slow? As you can see, CDN. So now as you can see, CDN is now working fine for now, or you can check CDN. So it takes time to save a lot of things here. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying our series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.